Hi there, welcome back. In this lecture, you will learn what the pluggable database architecture, also known as multi-tenant architecture of the Oracle database, is briefly. Actually, as an SQL developer, you don't need to learn the database architecture so deeply. You will need it when you want to perform some tuning operations or when you become a database administrator. However, in the following lectures, you will learn how to install the database into your computer, and after that, you will learn how to open or start the pluggable database and unlock the HR user which resides in it to be able to use for practices. Starting from the Oracle database version 12c, Oracle has introduced the pluggable database feature. So in the new versions, there is one big database which is called container database. You can think that the root database, and inside of the container database, there are pluggable databases. There must be at least one pluggable database inside the container database. And each pluggable database has full attributes of a regular database. I mean, it has its own users, objects, tables, applications, etc. But the container database is not like the pluggable databases. It doesn't have any objects. So why Oracle changed its database architecture to the pluggable database? Most basically, in the previously released databases, I mean in 11G and earlier versions, each database should be installed on a separate server. But in companies, there are very small databases used for only some specific jobs. So there is no reason to dedicate another server for such a small database. Besides, each server means a lot of work for the DBAs. So to make that easier, the Oracle updated its architecture, and starting from the release 12c, now there are pluggable databases in one container database. So in this way, there can be many databases, I mean pluggable databases for some specific tasks, in one big container database. In this way, the cost for the servers and the work for the DBAs also decrease a lot. So why did I explain all this? As I said before, to be able to understand what is happening while the installation and unlock videos, you need to learn at least why you are applying these steps. Because installing the database is not very easy normally, but I will show you the easiest way to do that in the next lecture. Alright, this is the end of this lecture. See you in the next lesson.